How to add volume fade in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page. From the timeline, select the audio clip you want to fade in or out. Make sure the audio track is expanded enough so you can see the volume line clearly running through the middle of the waveform. Now, to create a fade in, hover your mouse over the start of the audio clip. You'll see a white handle appear in the top left corner of the clip. Click and drag that handle to the right. This creates a gradual increase in volume, giving you a clean fade-in effect. You can adjust the length of the fade depending on how smooth or quick you want it. To create a fade out, do the same thing, but at the end of the clip, drag the white handle from the top right corner of the audio clip to the left. The longer you drag, the more gradual the fade out will be. This is especially useful when ending a video with background music or dialogue. If you want even more control, you can also add keyframes to the volume white line by holding down the Alt key and clicking on the line. This lets you create custom volume curves anywhere in the clip, giving you full control over how the audio fades in and out. And that's it. Now you know how to add volume fade in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.